Hey there, boys and girls. Here we are, day 18 of our March daily math. Only a couple more days left after today. This is amazing. So we're going to start with the number 6, and we're going to multiply that by 90. So, again, we're really just doing 6 times 9, right? I mean, place value is going to help us out here. So 6 times 9 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cover that one down. 54 with a 0. So it'll be 540, because that's really like 9 tens. So 6 times 9 tens is 54 tens, or 540. Now we're going to subtract 470. Really, we're taking away 54 minus 47, right? So let's start at 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So we should have 70 there, right? But if we don't know, let's go 540 minus 470, okay? 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 7, we have to borrow from next door. Very nice. More on the floor, borrow from next door. 14 minus 7 is 7. Okay, so here we are, 70. 70 divided by 7 is 10. All right, there we go. Number 3. Finn has 300 gold coins. He gives 75 coins to each of his 3 friends. How many coins does he have left? Okay, so he has 3 coins. There's 75, 75, 75, or 75 times 3. So we can add 5, 10, 15. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1 more is 22. All right, 3 times 5 is 15. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1 more is... Hey, really the same thing, right? This was actually just a little bit less work. Really, it's the same thing. There's 3 5s, 5, 10, 15. Here's 3 5s, 5, 10, 15. 7 and 7 and 7 is 3 times 7. So that's 225. That is our answer, right? That is a no. That's not our answer. That's how many coins he gave away. Now we need to finish it. 300 minus the coins. So we're going to borrow from next door. And we have 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. So he has 75 coins left. Okay, don't forget to do that, okay? Because that's going to be a tricky one. Okay. Draw spots on the mushrooms to show 4 times 9. So I count 4 mushrooms, so I'm not going to put 4 dots on each mushroom. I'm going to put 9 dots on each mushroom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Really hard to see those, but I did make them, I promise. 4 times 9 is 36, right? It's 40 minus 4. Divide the distance between 0 and 1 into thirds. Draw a smiley face at 1/3. Draw a triangle at 3/3. Okay. So let's go like this and like this. So there we have 1, 2, 3 equal pieces, right? We're going to draw a smiley face. Bing, bing, bing. At 1/3. Draw a triangle at 3/3. That's 2/3, right? So don't forget. There's your 2/3. Here's your 1/3. There's your 0/3, and there's your 3/3. Good job. I couldn't trick you that time, could I? All right. Great job with that, boys and girls. 2 days left of daily math. We'll see you tomorrow.